Hello, I welcome you in this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can mask image into a shape, how you can design something like this. Alright, so we are going to see how we can replicate this design. It's very simple. All you have to do is to stick around and watch this video to the end. If this is your first time watching my video or seeing my video, please make sure to subscribe for more videos and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop video you will get notification, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question you can drop it in the comment section. Alright, so let us see how we can design this. It's very simple. The first step we are going to do, let's resize this. The first thing we are going to do is to go to test. Alright, so we are going to test. You click on this. Here is for test. If you click here, then you click on this plus sign for you to add your test. Then you click on edit. Alright, this is for those who are new to PixelLab. Then we are going to write 25. Then I want us to use another font. I'm not going to use the font in this flyer, in this one. So I'm going to make use of another font. But before then, let us increase the size of our text. It's okay like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is now the font. Let us select the font, click on font. Alright, so let us check for the font we want to use. Alright, okay, I think here's the font I'm going to make use of, this font here. Alright, then the next thing we're going to do is that we are going to give it a bold style. Alright, so we're going to add style to our text, which is here. Click on it. Then we're going to click on this piece so we add a bold style to it. It's okay like this. Then keep it this way. Next thing we're going to do is to give it a color, which is going to be green according to our design. Let's give it a green color. So I want us to select, so let me show you what I did. I want us to select another form of green. This green is not bright enough, so if you want to get a brighter one or just change the color, click on this place, click on the plus sign. Then I want to drag all these two at the edge so that it will be brighter. Alright, so let me select something like this. It's okay now. Then the next thing we are going to do is to add stroke to this. Let's add stroke to it, which is going to be a white stroke. Then let us increase the size of our stroke to something like 10. It's okay like this. Then the next thing is to copy this shape. Let us copy the shape. Click on copy. Then this one you copied now, just come here. We are going to hide it. Click there. Then this is the one we are going to hide. Alright, so you have to lock it and then hide it. You click on this key icon, then you click on this eye icon. Alright, then let us move with this one now. Alright, so let's place this one like this and then lock it also. Then we are going to import a shape. You click here so that we import a shape. Alright, then you click on shapes. We are going to make use of this. Alright, so let us resize to get something like this. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do is to give it a color. Let's give it a color, or let's just leave it at this red color, or give it any color of your choice. Alright, then you click on to back. Let us send it to back at the back of our letter, which is 25. Then see what you're going to do. You're going to place it like this so that it will have equal height with this text. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing is for us to merge. You click here. Then we are going to merge this and this. Alright, hope you guys are following what I'm doing. So the first step for you to merge is you click here. Then you merge the two, which are this one and this one. This one is the one that we hide. Alright, and these are the design we are looking at to replicate. Alright, then the next thing you're going to do, let me show you what I did. You click here. Alright, then you click OK. Alright. Alright, then the next thing is click here to go back. Now we are going to go to erase color. Just follow this step, you're going to get this. Going to erase color, then on the button. Now it will remove the white because by default this erase color normally remove white color easily, right? But we want to remove another color. So if you want to remove another color, then you click on this pencil icon, then we are going to move this so that we select the color. Any color that shows here is the color you picked, and here's where you will swing around for you to select. So I want us to remove the red background. So after selecting the red, the next thing is to click here. You can see now it have removed the red background. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do, sorry, not the red background that we are going to remove, I'm sorry about that. Alright, so now the color we are going to remove is this green. Alright, so let us select the green. Alright, it seems this, let's just do this in afresh on the button again. Alright, let's see what to do. Alright, I think we have gotten back to it. What I did is that I click on this minus, that is to remove the previous things we have did. Alright, then we're now going to select the color we want to remove, which is dark green, and it have removed it. Alright, so alright, then the next thing we're going to do now is to import the image we are going to make use of. Click on this plus sign, then you click on from gallery, so you select the picture from your gallery and make sure you have removed the background of the image. So this is the color I'm going to make use of. I'm going to keep it like this. Alright, let me keep it this way. Then you have to copy this shape first, copy it, then place it in the same way you did. Alright, then we are going to send one to back and then lock one and hide one. So this recent one that we just copied, just come here, then we are going to hide this one, which is this top one. Alright, then this last one, this first one, we're going to drag it so it will be at the back of this. Alright, so you have to click on this. This is a simple way to do this. Click on it, then drag it down. Alright, it is now at the back. I hope you get what I did. Then the next thing we are going to do, let's position this very well before we continue. Let's keep it like this. I think this is okay like this. Then the next thing we are going to do is to merge them. Click here. Then what we are going to merge is this one and this one. Alright, then let us merge. Okay, then let us go to erase color again. This time around we are going to erase the red part of this. So the same procedure we did last time. Click on the pencil icon, then select the red part. Alright, you can see it have removed the red part. If you notice, the color of this clothes changed due to it has a red color. Alright, but it's not a problem actually. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do now is to go here, so I will make the other one to be visible, which is going to be, sorry, let me show you the image that is here. Alright, then that one you are going to keep it so that they will be at the same level with the other one, and I think it's okay now. Then we are going to lock this. Let's lock two of them so that they won't be moving. Lock these two. Then we are going to highlight on this. Just click on it. Alright, then you come to mask. Come to mask, and here it is. You click on mask, then on the button. So we are going to remove the part we don't want. Alright, so I don't want this part to be showing like this. Okay, think let me do it like this. Let me do it like this. Just remove the part you don't want to show in your own. So let me check this if it is okay. Just click here after doing everything. Okay, I think it's not good enough. Then you go back to that mask again, then edit it to the way you want it to look like. Alright. Let me check this. Alright, I think this one is okay. Let me take this. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do now is to click here. Then we are going to unlock this and then remove it from and make it to be visible. Then we are going to place it so that it will be at the same position as this 25. Alright, so let's use position. Alright, I think it have entered very well. If you notice, there is a kind of red shadow or red stroke here. If you check on it very well, the reason is that because when we did this, when we merged the shape and erased that red part, we did increase the tolerance. Alright, let me show you what you would do, because I can't start fresh. Let me just show you what you would do. So when you come to that erase color, wait, let me check for it. So it should be for shape, not for this. So let me just click on this one so I will show you what I mean. Then come to erase color. So after removing the red part, you have to increase this. Alright, you have to increase this. But the reason why the thing is now the thing is doing like this is because we have merged before doing this. Alright, so after merging, when you remove the red part, alright, then you increase that tolerance so that it will be like this. Alright, so this is just a simple way to do this. Then the next thing to do is to change the background. Let us add some editing to it. Let's change the background. But before then, I want us to apply a shadow to it. If you notice that I kind of shadow, this just moved. Let me keep it in the same position. Let me use position so that this will be okay. Alright, then just lock it, just lock everything. Then, like I was saying before, there is a kind of shadow on this design. So let us see how we can apply those shadow. Right, so you go to your shape, then we are going to select circle, click here, and select circle, then you reduce it to something like this. Then this opacity, reduce it to 0%. Then this stroke, increase it. Then this blur radius, increase it also. Sorry. Then after that, we bring it here, then reduce it again. Then you're going to rotate to something like this, and then come to opacity here. Opacity, you have to reduce the opacity. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Then keep it this way. Let's rotate. Then send it to back by just click on to back. Then copy this and keep it somewhere here and send it to back also. So let us rotate this one again. Alright, so this is just for you to put a kind of small editing to your design. Alright, it's not a must. Hope you guys following what I'm doing. Alright, so I think let's just leave it this way. Alright, so let's now change the background. You click on this place, then you have to click on color. Then let us check for a background. Alright, I think this is okay, this background is okay. You can still check for other backgrounds. Alright, so this, I think this is nice. Alright, so this is just how you can design this. Alright, it's very simple, and please remember to increase that tolerance when you remove the red parts. Alright, because I didn't do it in this video, and I know you can do it because it's very easy, and I have shown you guys what you would do for you to achieve that. Alright, so thanks for staying to the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop video again, you will get notification. If this video was helpful, please comment and like this video and share it to others so that they can learn. Thanks, and see you in the next video.